Looking to breathe new life into your HP Z2G4 800 or 880 series workstation? Today, we're diving into a replacement power supply option, the Gopong's 500W unit, designed as a substitute for the DPS 500AB 32 and 901-759-013 part numbers. This power supply is specifically tailored for HP Z2G4 800 and 880G 3G4MT models. Compatibility is key, and Gopong's emphasizes that this unit is a direct replacement. It's crucial to visually match the product images with your existing power supply before purchasing. Even if your workstation model is listed, a visual confirmation ensures a proper fit and avoids unnecessary returns. The Gopong's power supply delivers 500 watts, matching the original specifications of the HP unit it's designed to replace. This is important for maintaining the performance and stability of your workstation, especially if you're running demanding applications or using power-hungry components. It's an ATX form factor power supply, designed as an external power supply. It also has a minimum input voltage of 100 volts AC. Gopong's highlights their commitment to customer satisfaction, stating their dedication to providing sincere support and satisfactory solutions. They also mention that every product undergoes quality inspection before leaving the factory. When considering a replacement power supply, it's always wise to prioritize reputable brands and thoroughly check compatibility. While this Gopong's unit appears to be a viable option for specific HP workstations, remember to double-check those part numbers and images to ensure a seamless transition and a reliable power source for your machine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.